Hey everybody, welcome back to Stone Mountain Barbecue. I am Jason and I'm glad to have you. Today we're cooking up a copycat burger recipe of one of my all-time favorite in the whole wide world fast food burgers. You guys have seen it before. You probably already know what it is because it was in the title when you clicked the video. We're doing a Copycat Rodeo King burger from Burger King. We're gonna have the onion rings, we're gonna have some beef patties, we're gonna have some cheese. Y'all stick with me and we'll see what we can do. Alright folks, let's take a look at this Rodeo King. A few days ago I went out, I sacrificed my body, I purchased one or two of these burgers for testing purposes. Let's take a look at that picture I took just to show it deconstructed. And what we have here is we have a sesame bun with mayonnaise and barbecue sauce, about 5 half strips of bacon. We got 2 all beef patties that you know are flame grilled, 2 pieces of cheese, and all that comes together as a beautiful harmony, including onion rings and dogs making weird noises to make the Rodeo King that I so love. So with that being said, we're going to make our own version of that today using some Wagyu beef from Australia that we picked up at our local grocery store. It was something that we hadn't really ever seen before, and I thought it'd be cool to do, plus to see if it's worth it or not. So let's get to looking at these ingredients and we'll show you how we're going to make this thing. Alright guys, so we have 16 ounces of this Wagyu beef from Australia. We've got a whole pack of bacon. This is Applewood smoked bacon, the black label. I like it really well. This is the cheese we're going to be using. Just regular old Yeller Velveeta. Mayonnaise, we've got just some regular mayonnaise. And we're going to be using some KC Masterpiece Kettle Cooked, the American original. That is wifey's all-time favorite barbecue sauce, and you can't tell her otherwise. So we're going to just take this, go about 4 equal parts. Just to try, that's probably not equal, but it'll be okay. As you can see, this thing was pretty compressed here. I'm actually going to cut this one a little bit. Move that one with that. And I'm going to cut a little bit off of this one and put with that, because that wasn't very equal. And we're just going to make a little patty. Now we've got our burger press here today. If you're using a burger press, be sure to spray it with something to keep it from sticking and getting all cruddy. Let's see what that looks like. Not very good. I'm just going to hand form these patties. Alright guys, now we've got our patties patted out. We're going to put our bacon on a baking sheet. Bacon on a baking sheet. I'm going to try out a tip or trick that I saw on another YouTube channel, not another cooking show. On one of his videos, he talks about how he likes to cook bacon, and that's what we're going to try to do. So if you want to see that, I'll put a link in the iCard above to that channel, or that video. Go check it out. We're just going to bake it at 375, putting it into a cold oven. That's what he said to do, and let it slow cook for about 20-30 minutes. Alright, now that we got these patties patted out, we're letting the grill come up to temp. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these things seasoned up. I'm struggling with touching raw meat today. I'll clean these afterwards. Simple salt and pepper. Burgers are seasoned up, bacon's in the oven. Let's get some onion rings made up, and then we will meet you out at the grill when we're throwing these burgers on. Y'all stay tuned. Flame grill. And smoked bacon.
What socks you got on?
I don't have any socks on.
Do you not? What socks you got on?
My grilling socks.
Let's see them. Stick them up here. He said, oh, let me hike them. Oh, yeah.
There's a little bit of fat in these burgers.
What's up?
What up, homie? How you doing? Listen, if you ever want your neighbor to mow their yard, just come outside with a camera. Not my direct neighbor, but some neighbors down the street.
Hashtag subdivision life.
Flame grilled.
You look bored. You ain't having fun?
I mean, I just don't ever grill. I'm usually smoking meat. Takes a long time. I don't just stand at a grill, you know. Feel like SpongeBob. Krusty Krab, yeah. Pizza. Hit the like button if you want that to be a video. Pitmaster privilege.
Good.
We'll talk about that later. This little guy right here needs to get him some flamage. Flame on! What movie is that from? Comment down below. You don't know?
Hold on, wait. What year? What decade?
90s? No, it was probably 2000s.
Flame on.
Superhero movie. Flame on! Wasn't a very popular one. They made two of them.
Green Lantern?
No. I think they made two of these movies. And a different guy played this character.
In the two movies? Yeah, I don't know.
Did you already comment? Did you already put it down below? Fantastic Four. Johnny Black.
Ah.
Let me kill this cow twice for wifey.
Cook that bacon so I can eat it.
That was spatula skills. You missed it.
Let's see if you can do it again.
I can't.
Go ahead, spatula skills.
What? Get some. Thank you. I want it. All right, let's go make some onion rings. The Wizard of Oz. What?
Go.
I'm not gonna edit it to make it look like I did that right after I said, let's go make some onion
No,
rings.
I would. It'd be impressive if you could do it. I don't think you can do it again.
Well, I heard something crack right here. I don't know.
What are you talking about?
I forgot to hit play when I was getting the batter and stuff together for these onion rings.
Batter?
Yeah, I didn't hit play. So I made these onion rings and I don't have any video of it.
Really?
What? You're not supposed to. Okay, so I used frozen onion rings. I'm lazy. And I didn't have any, but whatever. It's gonna taste the same. It's frozen. Let's get this burger put together. I'm tired of this ridicule. Flame grilled patties, guys. Cheese, bacon, onion rings. We've got barbecue sauce and mayonnaise. All the makings of my favorite burger. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go with some mayo on the top bun. About yay much. Not too much. Not too little. We're going to go with a couple of onion rings right on the top, right on the price. We're going to go ahead and take one of our patties, put it on the bottom, take number dose of our patties, put it on the top. How many pieces of bacon did I say? 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to top all that off. A little bit of barbecue sauce, a little bit of barbecue sauce. Somehow you put this together, smash her down, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The homemade, flame-grilled Rodeo King, or barbecue bacon cheeseburger with onion rings, or Wagyu beef cheeseburger bacon onion heaven, whatever you want to call it. You do you. I'm going to take a bite because our camera's dying, and I want you to see my face on this because I know it's going to be so good. Alright guys, there you have it. You saw the bite right before the camera shut off. It's dead, so I'm using my phone right now, but hope you enjoy the new camera, guys. We just picked that one up. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. That would be doing me a huge favor. And be sure to check out all my social media links down below. Yeah. And until next time, guys, y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Thanks. God bless.